Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mastery. Today, I'm excited to share with you the fastest and easiest way to earn $1,000 online. Yes, you heard it right, $1,000, and you can achieve this just by referring others. It's one of the simplest methods to make money online, and it's completely free. But act quickly, because this opportunity won't be available forever. And yes, it's open to everyone around the globe. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal a unique tool that automates everything, allowing you to earn money effortlessly. Before we dive in, remember to hit the like button and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get personalized notification. Let's start in the topic. Step 1, leveraging Pixabay.com. The first step in this money-making journey is Pixabay.com. This platform hosts a vast library of over 10,000 copyright-free images and videos across every imaginable niche and category. The best part? All of these resources come with a Creative Commons license, meaning you can use them on your websites or projects without any attribution required. No need to worry about posting on social media platforms either. We're taking a different approach here. Head over to Pixabay.com and navigate to the video section. Use keywords like business, finance, making money online, and working from home to find short, impactful videos, typically around 10 to 15 seconds long. Let's say you find a video that resonates with your theme. Click on it to open the download page. Select your preferred resolution and hit download. Voila! You now have a valuable resource downloaded to your computer under a Creative Commons license, free for commercial use. Your goal for this step? Download 10 similar and eye-catching videos related to business and making money online. Step 2, maximizing earnings with Vault.com. Now that you've got your arsenal of videos, it's time to start earning. Enter Vault.com, your platform for collecting earnings. While BlueTech offers opportunities to earn through reading emails, Vault.com takes it up a notch. Sure, reading emails can be a decent side hustle, but today, I'm showing you how to generate substantial passive income without the need to read emails or put in strenuous effort. Vault.com boasts a minimum payout threshold of just 0.20, meaning you can cash out swiftly, whether you're on your tablet or smartphone. This platform is relatively new, with fewer than 8,000 active users, presenting an optimal moment to capitalize on its potential. Check out the payment proofs. People worldwide are cashing out daily, from Russia to Brazil and beyond. Ready to get started? Click on the register button, enter a unique username, your email address, and create a secure password. Review and accept the terms of use and privacy policy, and you're in. Upon logging into your Vault.com account, you'll see your dashboard, initially displaying $0. But that's about to change if you follow the steps outlined in this video. Step 3, cashing out and referral rewards. Once your earnings start rolling in, simply navigate to your dashboard and click on the withdrawal button. Set up your payment details, and Vault.com guarantees instant payment once you've hit the 0.20 mark. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Vault.com boasts an excellent referral program. Earn $1 for every referral who earns $1 themselves. Imagine referring just 100 people. That's $100 in passive income. Scale it up to 1,000 referrals, and you've hit that $1,000 mark we're aiming for. Grab your unique referral link from the main dashboard and start sharing it with others to kickstart your online passive income journey. Step 4, driving traffic with Ember.com. To maximize your referral earnings, you need targeted traffic. Enter Ember.com, a platform attracting over 180 million monthly visitors. These users hail predominantly from top-tier countries like the US, Japan, Canada, UK, and Germany, presenting immense potential for your referral strategy. Signing up for Ember.com is straightforward. Create an account using a unique username, a valid email address, and a secure password. Alternatively, connect via social media for streamlined access. Once inside, explore a myriad of posts shared by everyday users like you. Here's where your downloaded Pixabay videos come into play. To establish your passive income stream, click on New Post and upload a video or image downloaded earlier. option to retain or remove audio. Then craft a compelling title such as "Get paid to read emails, free money." Incorporate keywords that highlight the free and lucrative nature of your offer. In the description, embed your Vault.com referral link, inviting viewers to sign up instantly. Enhance visibility by adding relevant hashtags like "Wa make money online" and "work from home." These tags attract users actively seeking money-making opportunities online, ensuring your post reaches a targeted audience eager to engage. And there you have it, the fastest and easiest way to earn $1,000 online, absolutely free. By following these steps, you're well on your way to achieving financial milestones without breaking a sweat. If you're hungry for more online money-making strategies, click on the video appearing on your screen right now. That's all for today. To learn more similar new ways to earn money, stay tuned with us. And if you find this video useful, then hit the subscribe button. See you in next video. Till then, happy earnings.